Now we have a problem. I might just get rid of it. I mean, not that I care. Our clothings are sometimes like boys. This sweater, oops, and it's gone. One day. Hey guys, it's me again. Guess what time it is? Decluttering time. You guys have no idea how much I enjoy decluttering my space, especially my closet. Let's be honest, we don't wear everything we got. To me, especially when it comes to my closet, I almost get anxiety. I get so stressed out. You know, it takes time to let things go, so it's totally fine, and therefore for me it's a really important ritual for me to declutter every now and then. It is almost the end of the year. By the time I'm filming this video, I feel like it's the perfect time to go through everything you got. If you usually have a hard time doing this, maybe this video will kind of motivate you. Without talking too much, let's head right into the video. I don't know if you can see me, but it doesn't matter because I mainly wanted to show you my closet. We have 3 racks where we hang all our stuff. As a addition to this, we have a dresser. Here mainly we have like tops and sweaters, things that are a little heavy and you know you kind of want to display. Put my hair up so I don't get distracted. Name me someone who enjoys decluttering their closet as much as I do. We can team up. First, we got this little cardigan. I love this cardigan so much. I'm definitely not going to get rid of this. It's one of the most worn things in my wardrobe. Same goes with this sweater. I even got recently, I think in November or something, I even filmed this in one of my videos. I'm not going to go through everything with you because it's going to get boring, I guess. Then we have 2 questionable blouses. I used to love them, especially this one, this color. It was so pretty back then, I feel. But for some reason, I got a stain. It looks a little oily. I don't know from what it is. Can't find a way to get rid of this, so this is the reason why I stopped wearing it, because I can't wear something that is stained, and I'm really sad about it. I'm really thinking of getting rid of this. See, and now we have a problem. I would love to wear them more often, but I don't. They're still really good quality. I don't know, maybe I will give it another try and I will look back at my closet in like springtime, and if I feel I haven't worn this like during the first phases of spring, I might actually get rid of those. This one I have started to wear more often, like underneath sweaters. I actually wanted to get rid of this. I don't know, this is like the only way I like to wear it, like underneath stuff. I don't like to wear it like as a piece itself, so I think it's not going to hurt if I get rid of this sweater, cardigan, blah. This one also used to be one of my favorite pieces back then, but I realized that this year I never even missed it. This is one criteria you can look out for. If you have forgotten about the piece and you see it and you don't really have a reason to keep it, then just get rid of it. This one is on Vinted. Actually, I'm trying to sell this. Nobody's interested, so I might just get rid of it. This one I'm also trying to get rid of. I don't know. The color just doesn't speak to me anymore. I mean, I like the blazer and I like the style of it, but come on. And also my boyfriend doesn't like me wearing this, so I mean, not that I care, but he also doesn't like it. So this teddy jacket, also one of my most worn pieces this season and last season also. This sweater, I have to say, actually my mom got me, and I also actually like the style, but I feel like whenever I wore this sweater, it was a little too much. Like I would get so hot in this, even though I'm actually a person who gets really cold really easily, but it was kind of too much and I didn't wear it. So see, it's not that hard. It's really not that hard. And I really like to make this reference, like it's just like boys, you know. I feel like our clothings are sometimes like boys that we don't deserve, that are like kind of annoying. We like to stick to them, but they're of no use, so why do you keep them? It's such a waste of time, and in this case, it's such a waste of space and actually energy, because let's be honest, who doesn't look into their closet and thinks like, oof, I don't know about that. For me, it's really stressing looking into a closet of things that I actually don't like or don't care about and are just taking up space. This jacket is really new. I got this summer, but I think I've only worn this twice. And I'm also trying to get rid of this on Vinted. I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, moment of truth. This dress I used to love and I used to wear more often, but this summer I think I've only worn this once, if not never. So I can't keep it. It's no. This one I'm also trying to get rid of, trying to sell it. Oops. And it's gone. I've forgotten about this top. And I actually love this. Spring and summer 2026, here we come. This one I also don't want to have anymore. Nobody wants to buy it. So, story behind this sweater. As you can tell, it's a really, flattering sweater that you can wear like off shoulder, kind of show a little chest. In my case, I haven't gotten the opportunity to wear this piece because I struggle with acne so much, even on my chest and my back especially. I wasn't feeling comfortable knowing that I'm showing off my acne, which we could train to not care about because it's only human, but in my case, I really get these big cysts. It actually looks sick. I mean, having acne is having a disease. It's a disease. So, it doesn't look pretty at all. Unfortunately, I couldn't wear it. I haven't had the confidence to do so. So I guess I'm going to let go of it. Even though I really like this sweater. Else, I think I'm gonna move forward a little. I think I'm not a fan of, these chunky sweaters anymore. And I also haven't worn this a lot. So, I don't know. And I think I just realized that you couldn't see me when I was back there. I'm sorry. We have some skirts hanging here that I like. I'm not going to get rid of. A dress I should wear more often. This is the same case as the sweater that shows a little more chest. I love this piece. And I think since it doesn't take up so much space, I'm going to keep it and hope for one day that I won't be struggling as much as I do right now with my acne. Almost the end of the racks. Why is it here? It's black. See, I also like to color code my closet. I really find joy in that. Sweater, pants. Oh, now we are at the pants section. I actually wore these pants and I still like them, so I'm gonna keep them. I have like 3 leather pants. One in this, I don't know, oaky brown color, almost chocolate brown color, and one in black. Nice pants. Nice. And what is this? Oh, almost forgotten about this piece. I think we're fine here. Everything was okay so far. Some of the stuff is in the laundry, so this is not everything, but most of it, of course. So, quick overview again. Found some more things. That feels good. So this is the pile of clothing we already got, and now we will head into the dresser. I hope you can see me, not too close, but now that we have finished looking through my racks, we will go into the dresser. First, please don't mind the rug. My dog kind of destroyed it. It's beautiful. First drawer is a lot of stuff. I even store some jewelry because I don't like to display a lot of things on the surfaces. So as I said, I have some jewelry here, nothing special, don't get like too curious. Some receipts for some reason, I don't know. Some skirts. So these are all my shirts that I like to wear for bed. My little pajamas section. These are important. These are like all shirts that I kept from my dad. So I have these basic turtleneck tops, but the quality is bad. It looks really fuzzy. They still get the job done, but they don't look as elegant, especially like the neck has lost its shape and it's like really floppy. I really need to get rid of them so I can force myself to get new ones. I also haven't worn, actually. I should really try to wear it more often, but I feel like it doesn't suit me. I think I have to try it on again and see what to do with it. This is on hold. These shirts with like a little crew neck I got from Shein. Never wore them, I think, in over a year. And I got the same one in this brown beige color. Also going to get rid of this. What is this little guy? Oh, ew, that doesn't look good anymore. See, this is also like a piece that shows a little too much chest and I haven't worn this. I'm going to say goodbye to this one. Same here. Plus, it's all like polyester or something like that. And it makes me sweat so much. You start to smell on this piece. Shows too much chest for my acne and is really not that good of a quality. So a party top. It has like this little scrunchy detail here. Yeah, I think I don't want it anymore. Down here I have my pants. The pants that don't go on the rack. It's mainly jeans, and I even have a skirt, and I'm going to start right with this. Remember when these jean skirts were like really trendy? It doesn't suit me at all. It makes me look so thick, and I'm a tiny person. It looks so very weird on me. These pants have served me for over, I think, 3 years now. They used to be pitch black. I don't feel like wearing them anymore, and I actually haven't this season. So my favorite pair of jeans, I got them from H&M and I really want to get them in another color. Oh, I see I need to wash them actually. Okay. Skinny jeans that used to suit me very well. Another pair of actual skinny jeans, which I've heard is having a comeback. Okay, this is like a little trashy drawer. I have some sort of, hanging out stuff, jogging pants, sweaters, and mainly my gym clothing, some shorts. Like really a mixed drawer of anything I have. I always wonder how much stuff we keep and where that space goes. I've prepared a plastic bag. Alright, you guys, this is already it. These decluttering videos aren't that exciting, I feel, but it feels really good to do these kind of things, and I thought I will take you with me. I already have once posted a video like that. If you're interested in it, you can go check it out. Maybe you can even compare what I kept back then and what I got rid of this time. I'm pretty sure there are some things you will recognize. All the clothing will be donated, of course. Nothing goes to waste, and I really want to encourage you to do the same. If you have stuff that you haven't worn in a pretty long while, things you don't like anymore, there are people out there that will gladly take them and be really happy to wear these things. I really encourage you to do the same if you have the opportunity to do so. And I really do enjoy decluttering my space, and I can't wait to do that in the future again. Let me know in the comments if you like these kind of videos. If you've enjoyed this, I read all the comments. If you've come across this channel and you're new here, feel free to join. I would appreciate that really much. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and of course, Happy New Year!